And H-Town's going to see some of this weather, too. We've got some pretty good storms off to the north. So far, it's been the state capital. But our KENS 5 live weather truck heading north on 281 in Spring Branch, just about to cross over Rebecca Creek, getting some of this light rain on the back edge of what has been the heaviest rain. So this is safe up 281. Want to make sure you know as you're getting into the afternoon commute, 281 north, this has been the most rain we've really encountered. It's been light to moderate at the most, so that's good news. But remember, light rain can be very, very slippery on the road surface. Please allow some extra time. Leave early if you can, because again, we're expecting more storms to develop in the next few hours. Let me show you live radar now, the action across East Texas. In fact, it really starts on the I-35 corridor and picks up east of Austin, north of Houston. You can see the amount of warnings right now as that weather really gets ripping. Now, we started to watch some of these showers drop down into Comal County, so right over Canyon Lake. And this is just rain. This is nothing severe. What you're looking at, heavy pockets at times. In fact, just north of this picture is where we've got flash flood warnings across areas north of Austin. But so far, it's only been these little light sprinkles in the San Antonio area, very similar to what you just saw from the KENS 5 live weather truck. So this is what can, again, create just a little bit of a slippery surface for you on the roadways. Down to the south and west, watching these storms crank up between Uvalde and Eagle Pass. So they definitely bear watching as they start moving into some very unsettled air. You can see off the top of those thunderstorms, the clouds blowing off to the top near La Praya right now. That's not rain, that's the top of the cloud deck. All right, so now future radar. Let me walk you through hour by hour. At 6 p.m. is when we're expecting some storms to develop right over San Antonio. It gets quiet for tonight. And then another line could be developing to our south and east, only to pick up by about midday tomorrow. So we'll have another renewed chance southeast of the city, and through tomorrow morning, a 2 out of 5 chance that some of this produces mainly large hail or gusty winds. A medium threat on flooding through tomorrow morning, and the tornado threat is very low. What a setup of instability. You've got a warm front that moved through and destabilized everything. The dry line is parked out to the west. If this moved a little farther east, we would see a lot more develop, and that's why those storms are developing near Eagle Pass, right along the dry line, and then a frontal boundary. But don't get too excited. That frontal boundary way too weak. Dew points will go down just a little bit tomorrow. And a little bit means from low to mid 70s to mid 60s. So hardly a change in air mass behind this system. Looking ahead to the weekend, a huge ridge of high pressure building. So here comes summer-like heat because of this high that's going to be taking over. This is going to be the last of the rain for a while. We certainly need it. Take a look at Calaveras Lake, just socked in 81, south wind at 10 miles per hour, dew point 75, tropical air. Again, if that dry line continues to move a little bit farther east, we get some pretty big thunderstorms to develop, and this is where we need that rain. This is updated today. Drought report shows you we still have extreme drought off to the north and west of San Antonio. All right, city's forecast for the 7-day, 89 tomorrow. We've got the morning rain, and then the afternoon is sunny. About a 30% chance overnight. 94 Saturday, 95 Sunday. Lots of sunshine, lots of heat. Make sure you're hydrating. 95 up to 97 is where we peak on Tuesday. Flirting with triple-digit heat already, Audrey.